Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
รายการของเรามีให้หลายภาษาโปรดดู suprememastertv.com/schedule
Young jackfruit is almost neutral in flavor, hence perfect for absorbing flavors in savory cooking. You will be amazed by the endless vegan recipes that you can create using young jackfruit. Wondrous Nature's Gift, Versatile Jackfruit, Part 2 of 3, Vegan Jackfruit Steak and Japanese Vegan Jackfruit Croquette. Watch on to find out more.
Habari yashiku. I just said hello in Swahili, an official language of Tanzania. I'm Flaviana. The gentle people of the United Republic of Tanzania would like to give you a warm applause for choosing the vegan diet to protect our animals, our planet, and your health. Welcome to Wondrous Nature's Gift, Versatile Jackfruit, Part 2 of 3, Vegan Jackfruit Steak and Japanese Vegan Jackfruit Croquette. Having a pleasant fibrous texture while giving a tender and melt-in-your-mouth sensation, the jackfruit has been rediscovered as a perfect vegan alternative to meat in the West. According to the Vegan Life magazine December 2019 edition, the jackfruit was polled the Taste of the Year 2020 by consumers and over 300 professional chefs across the UK. Young jackfruit is almost neutral in flavor, hence perfect for absorbing flavors in savory cooking. In today's show, we will introduce 2 authentic, delicious, and healthy vegan young jackfruit recipes which are beneficial in purifying our body and mind. While you can use canned young jackfruit for cooking, the pulp and flesh from whole, fresh young jackfruit are best for making vegan delicacies. However, fresh young jackfruit contains natural latex, which is very sticky, difficult to clean, and may cause allergic reactions. Therefore, it's important to know how to cut and prepare fresh young jackfruit before learning the recipes. A popular approach to avoid stickiness is to cook the jackfruit in water using a pressure cooker. After the pressure cooker has reached full pressure and starts to whistle, cook the jackfruit for about 10 minutes. Another useful method is to wear a pair of gloves and coat the gloves and the knife with some vegetable oil to lessen the stickiness. Put on gloves and slather cooking oil over both your gloves and knife. Place the jackfruit on a large cutting board or a newspaper spread over a table. Slice the jackfruit breadthwise into 2 halves. Then slice the 2 halves into quarter wedges. Then cut off the sticky core portion of each wedge. Slice off the spiky skin from each wedge. and separate the yellow pods from the white fibrous strands, which can also be used for cooking. Take out the seeds inside the yellow pods. If you are dealing with ripe fruits, after removing the core, push the fruit from inside out, consequently loosening and separating the pods from each other. Collect the yellow pods from the white fiber strands. The white fiber strands also can be used for cooking. Take out the seeds inside the yellow pods, then collect the flesh. The vegan jackfruit steak is a perfect cruelty-free substitute for your next fancy vegan meal. It is a dreamy mix of young jackfruit strands, chickpeas, oat flour, and aromatic seasonings fused together, creating an amazingly succulent, tender, and tasty dish. You will be surprised and delighted with your first melt-in-your-mouth bite. The first dish we will make is vegan jackfruit steak. Heat up a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir fry the sliced jackfruit flesh. When fragrant, stir in the fibrous strands and continue to stir fry until the strands turn soft. Add soy sauce and stir fry for a while. Add cumin powder, salt, and natural flavor enhancer. Keep mixing until well blended. Cover the pan with the lid and simmer over low heat for 5 minutes. It is now ready. Transfer the stir-fried ingredients into a food processor and blend by holding the pulse mode for about a few seconds and repeat twice to generate a fibrous mash. Then add the pre-cooked chickpeas, oatmeal flour into the food processor, close the lid, and apply pulses for a few seconds each until the mixture is lumpy. Now we'll start making the vegan steaks. Firstly, we shape the cooked mixture into small balls. Then mold them into patties. The mixture should be firmly and flatly pressed in the mold to create solid, identical, and pretty patties. Next, fry the vegan steak patties. You may also roast them in the oven. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the frying pan to heat up on medium heat. Fry the vegan steak patties until they turn golden brown on both sides. Next, let's prepare some beautiful black pepper sauce for the vegan jackfruit steak. Heat up a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the finely diced button mushrooms and saute until fragrant. Then add the vegan oyster sauce, tomato sauce, black pepper, and sugar. Mix well. Add water until the sauce is slightly thickened. Then top the vegan jackfruit steaks with the black pepper sauce. Garnish with fruits and vegetables of your choice before serving. Japanese croquette, or koroke, is the Japanese take on the French croquette. It is made of mashed potatoes and mixed vegetables. The mixture is then shaped into oval patties, coated in flour batter, rolled in breadcrumbs, and then deep fried. Today, koroke is a very popular homemade dish, and it's a well-liked street food in Japan. It is found in almost every Japanese supermarket and convenience store. Crispy and crunchy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside, these Japanese croquettes are a must-try. Now, we will present the Japanese vegan jackfruit croquette recipe. Place the halved washed potatoes flat side down in a pot and add water slightly below the potatoes' top. Cover the pot and turn on the stove to bring to a boil. After the potatoes have boiled for around 10 minutes, scoop them out. Heat up coconut oil in a shallow pan. Add finely diced jackfruit and saute until fragrant. Then add finely chopped fresh rosemary and saute until the aroma is released. Then stir in the finely diced red and green bell peppers, corn kernels, and stir fry for 1 minute. Add salt and ground black pepper and stir fry for another minute. Turn off the heat. Remove the skin of the boiled potatoes. Mash the boiled potatoes. Add the mashed potatoes to the stir-fried jackfruit and vegetables and mix them well. Tightly squeeze each portion of the mixture into an oval-shaped ball. Next, let's prepare the batter. Stir water into the wheat flour, then mix in turmeric. Coat each oval ball in the batter until evenly coated. Then cover the coated balls with breadcrumbs. Add sufficient sunflower oil in a small fryer to slightly cover more than half of the thickness of the croquettes. Heat the oil to between 150 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. Add in no more than 3 croquettes at a time into the fryer. If you add too many, The oil temperature will drop rapidly and the croquettes may fall apart. Don't flip them over until after 2 to 3 minutes when the color of the croquettes turns golden brown. Then flip them over, fry for another 2 minutes, and the croquettes are done.
Ingredients. For all ingredients, please use organic versions if available. For the vegan jackfruit steak, the ingredients are 200 grams of young jackfruit fibrous strands, 80 grams of young jackfruit flesh, 100 grams of oatmeal flour, 50 grams of cooked chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying. Seasonings: 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of natural flavor enhancer, black pepper sauce, 3 button mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 2.5 teaspoons of brown sugar, 50 milliliters of water. For the Japanese jackfruit croquettes, the ingredients are 150 grams of young jackfruit flesh, 250 grams of potatoes, 60 grams of canned corn kernels, 1 whole green bell pepper, 1 whole red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 10-centimeter sprig of fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 300 milliliters of sunflower oil for frying. Batter: 60 grams of wheat flour, 150 milliliters of water, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, optional, 150 grams of breadcrumbs.
Graceful viewers, we hope you have enjoyed our show today. We are privileged to have shared the versatility of jackfruit with you in creating sensational vegan cuisine. Please join us next Sunday for part 3 of our show. We will demonstrate how to make irresistibly delicious vegan jackfruit curry and spicy jackfruit vegan sauce using ripe jackfruit. Up next is New Year's Eve Ghost Stories, part 6 of 8 on Between Master and Disciples, right after Noteworthy News. We wish you a blessed and peaceful, happy vegan life.
For free international vegan recipes and for language availability, please visit suprememastertv.com/VEG and suprememastertv.com/schedule.